Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crop an image in Adobe Illustrator. Start by opening your image. Head over to File and select Open, then choose the image you want to crop. Once the image is in your workspace, make sure you have the selection tool active. You can find it at the top of your toolbar, then select your image. Now, look for the Crop Image button at the top of the Illustrator window. If you don't see it, don't worry. Go to the window menu and select Control to make it visible. When you click the Crop Image button, a cropping box will appear around your image. Use the handles on the sides and corners of the box to adjust the crop area manually. You can also input specific measurements in the toolbar for a more precise crop if needed. Once you're happy with the crop area, click Apply to confirm. If your artboard doesn't match the size of the cropped image, you can adjust it. Click on the artboard tool from the toolbar, then drag the edges of the artboard to fit the newly cropped image. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.